Hello, I'm Jeremy Wright, Senior Consultant at Umbrella Consulting, and in this SYSPRO Quick Tip, I'm going to show you a bin query in riteSCAN. And riteSCAN is a product that handles warehouse management, and it is integrated with SYSPRO in real time. And so when I do a bin query in riteSCAN, I am getting the most up-to-date information from SYSPRO immediately. So here I am on the inventory tab of riteSCAN. I'm going to click bin query, and I'm going to query bin E, and we're going to see what's in this bin. This is a big bin, so it has lots of stuff in it, and give it a second to load here. The reason you might use this is if you're walking through your warehouse and you see a whole bunch of product in a bin and you want to know exactly what's in there, or maybe it's up on a shelf where you don't want to grab a lift and pull it down. You can just use the bin query to see what's in there. And here you go. Quite a few stock codes in there. And so you can see the stock code, the description, the on-hand quantity, and whether it's on hold or not. In this case, nothing's on hold. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.